Good morning and happy Tuesday. I see a lot of comments asking about my shave routine, so I thought I would break it down on what I use and why I use it. As far as cost goes, when it comes to safety razors, this double-edged safety razor, this pack of 100 blades, which will give me 300 to 500 shaves, is $12. This is a shave soap puck from Death Grip. It has all natural ingredients. There's no propellant that could dry out my skin. Hot shower first. 3, 2, 1. It sure is crinkly. Me. One of the things that helps me that I always try to talk about is get a hot shower first. Your stubble is thick and hard, very much like ramen noodles. You can eat this while it's hard, but if you boil it or add hot water, it softens it up. The same with your facial hair. Get a hot shower first. That's going to soften up the hair. I just can't speak this morning. So I see in the comments as well, what are you shaving? It's not even long enough. It's only 0.01 millimeters. This is beard stubble. It is thick and it is itchy. Shower's done. The stubble is now softer. You don't have to, but you can add a shave oil to pre-treat. This can help reduce skin irritation. It adds a lubricating layer to your face to help prep it so that the razor will glide and cut versus dragging and snagging. So really quick, this double-edged safety razor replacement blade will work in the Parker Safety Razor adjustable variant, which is about $60, or the $26 78R, also from Parker Safety Razors. Aggressive, that's the word I was looking for. This is an adjustable razor, one all the way through to 5. 1 being less aggressive, 5 being more aggressive. It's double-edged because the edge of the blade is here, and it does have hair guides. This razor will probably last me a lifetime, and I just replaced the blades. Now I'm going to load the brush. I've been told you want to go about 30 times to get a proper amount of the shave soap inside of the brush. I always experiment with the amount of water that I add in. If you want to see more, I was inspired by the Antiquated Gent, and you can see different results of how much water that he adds in. That should be good. Sometimes I like a little wetter lather. If the stubble's a little bit longer, it doesn't seem to get clogged in the blade as much. Sometimes I like a creamier marshmallow type lather. Look at that. Using a shave brush like this on your skin helps prep the skin. It exfoliates it, it massages it, and it kind of gets the hair ready for you to shave. When I first started using safety razors, I did nick myself a lot. Every razor has a learning curve. So use light pressure, put it at about a 30-degree angle, and gently go over and lift the razor. Get your big mustache out of the way. For this area, I've shaved down, but the hair grows in different directions. If you're not sure whether you need to shave different directions, you can run your finger down. That feels pretty smooth. Now let's check a different direction. I've shaved down, now I'm going to shave up. If this irritates your skin, I don't recommend that you do it, but however you shave, put a little tension, make the skin tighter. You could do it this way if you're shaving over here. The chin is always a hard area because mine's a little bumpy. If I move my mouth around, it seems to change the tension of the skin and I'm less likely to nick myself. I've seen a few times in my comments about how do you approach the Adam's apple, and the best way I can describe it is go at an angle so you're not raking right over the Adam's apple. When shaving, nicks can and do happen. Whether you use too much pressure with the blade, you tilt the blade, or you have a skin imperfection, don't worry, it happens to all of us. You can use something like an alum block or a shave oil with a shave balm afterwards in order to soothe the skin, help it heal. And there you have it. My wet shaving time average is about 4 to 6 minutes. I have less skin irritation and ingrown hairs. It costs me a lot less and I have a lot less waste. All right, let's see how I did. That is a mighty fine shave.
Who are you?